guys, and welcome to another video with me in the kitchen. Welcome to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. Guys, if you are new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, come and join this family and let's cook together. So today in this video, guys, I'll be doing some beef kidney. Yes, that's one of Jamaican's favorite dish, beef kidney. So if you want to see how I do it, come along. So guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm showing you all my ground seasonings that I'll be using in the kidney. Right here I have garlic, onion, salt, green onions, my bell peppers, and tomato. And also I have powder seasonings. Guys, I almost forget the browning. Yes guys, you'll need browning. This is part of the seasoning as well. And as I go along, you'll see me put a piece of country pepper in it as well. So guys, let's get straight into the video. So guys, here in this container is the kidney, and I'm about to slice it up and then wash it with vinegar, and then I will apply the seasoning. So pay attention as I go along. So here it is guys, I'll just do one at a time. So I went ahead, I put on my gloves guys, and now I'm gonna remove the fats from the kidney. As you can see, this part is just fat and this is not needed at all, so I'm just gonna remove it as much as I can. Take away you know, most of it with the knife as much as I can. So guys, this is one of Jamaican's favorite you know, dish, kidney with white rice, or kidney with dumpling, boiled dumplings, boiled bananas. Guys, I finished cutting off the fat of the kidney. As you can see, this is all the fat from the kidney. I'm just gonna toss this away, get the kidney right back in this pan. I'm gonna wash with vinegar, and guys, you'll see everything. So guys, here in the pan is the kidney, and I'm about to wash it with some vinegar. Guys, we love to wash our meats. Jamaican love to wash their meats with vinegar, you know. So I'm just gonna add some water to that and rinse off the kidney just like that guys. Guys, the kidney is finished washed, and now I'm gonna put my seasonings on. So I'm gonna start with my Badaya Complete. This is one of my favorite seasoning as it contains almost everything. It's really tasty, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some of that using my judgment on the kidney just like that. Okay, my Maggi season up all purpose. This is also one of my favorite. It's full of flavor, and this I cannot do without in my kitchen. I'll do some of that as well. My Scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce. This is full of flavor again, not so much of very burning sensation. It's just mild and nice. Salt, gonna sprinkle some onto this. So I use a half of teaspoon salt. That's what I did just now, because you know the seasonings already contain salt and you don't want your meat to be salty. And I'm just gonna do a little black pepper as well, not a lot, that's fine. So now guys, I'm just gonna transfer my onions, see the onions onto that, tomato, bell pepper, and my garlic as well. And now we're gonna stir in all of this seasoning along with my green onions. So I'll just grind the onions like this using my hands. You know, you just want all that flavor to come out in your meat. Let me just wash my hands. Dry my hands. And then I'm adding my browning. Yes guys, the browning. So I'm just gonna add this. I'm using this spoon guys. I'm just gonna add this full spoonful of browning to the kidney, and then a half more of it, just like that. And then I'm just gonna take a piece of hot pepper. This pepper is really hot, but I'm just gonna take a little piece just like this. No more. That's perfect. And now I'm just gonna use a spoon just to mix in all the seasoning just like that. So guys, I'm just gonna finishing up with this by having it I'm just gonna leave it for half an hour to marinate, and the next time you see me, it will be going in the pot. So this is a finished product of the seasoned kidney. As you can see guys, it's perfect. And I'm just gonna let it stand for half an hour, and then the next time you see, it'll be going in the pot. So stay tuned guys. So guys, it's been half an hour since I had seasoned the kidney, and so I went ahead, I turned the stove on under the oil. It's now heated, and now it's time to put the kidney in the pot. So guys, come along. It's now ready guys, so I want you to pay attention. I'll just just like that, just put it down in the oil just like that guys. Guys, which do you rather, for the Jamaicans who are watching this video, do you rather having kidney, or do you rather liver? I do not like liver. I'm a kidney lover guys. And so here the kidney is in the pot. My flame right now is on high, so I'm just gonna bring it down to medium because I want my kidney to you know, to properly cook, not on a high flame where it's burned, but on a nice medium flame where the kidney can cook nicely. So as you can see, guys, now I'm just gonna cover. Let me see if I could take it down a little bit. Yes, guys, as you can see, now I'm just gonna cover, and I will check on this now and then. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, I am now back to check on the kidney to see what's going on. I like what I'm seeing. See, it's making its own water, guys, and that's A plus. So I'm just, you know, turning the kidney, and I'm just gonna cover again, guys, and let the kidney cook. So guys, now I am back to check on the kidney, but this time I'm gonna be putting some ketchup in the kidney. Here in this measuring cup is a half cup of ketchup. As you can see, guys, facts about Jamaicans, we don't really like to use measuring cups and stuff, but because, you know, the video and stuff, we have to do things the right way. Then Jamaicans are very skilled in the kitchen, and so for your sake, guys, I'm using this measuring cup, because guess what, we don't really need it now because we're good pan judgments, but for your sake I am using this measuring cup. So follow me as I, you know, pour this ketchup in the pot, guys. Kidney looking good, guys. I'm just gonna pour this ketchup into the kidney as it continues to simmer. I still haven't put any water into this pot. As you can see, I do not need any water. The pot do not need any water, as you can see, guys. So I'm just gonna taste this kidney to see what is missing and what is needed. So I have my little spoon here, and I'm gonna use this just to taste the gravy. Wow, guys, I cannot believe it. It's perfect. Nothing at all is missing. Nothing is needed. It's perfect. It's right on point. So I'm just gonna leave this here to simmer down for 5 more minutes, and then I will see you at presentation. Guys, guess what? I forgot to put thyme in the kidney. But guess what? It's not too late. I went ahead and I washed some, and I'm just gonna put it in the pot. It's not too late. And I add my thyme, guys, just like that. As I said before, I'll see you at presentation. So in 2 minutes, I'm ready to serve this kidney. guys, tell me what you think about this video. Remember to leave a comment in the comment section. Share this video, give it a thumbs up. And guys, I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for the support. May God continue to bless you, and may you have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you in my next video. And thank you always for stopping by at Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks.